Alright, came out here to get this maintenance all done. We're gonna have Manny do it over there. He's hooking up the water, but we're gonna get started. Alright, I'm gonna clean it because I like cleaning these things. So, let's clean it. Alright, man, we're gonna get our RLA. So we're gonna get common first. Now we're gonna get run. Start. FLA. So, yep, common and start. That's alright, good. You can take that off. Which we are in second stage.
It's just testing the thermostat?
Yeah. And our refrigerant levels do look a little low with a 1.7 subcool 29 superheat. Our vapor saturation is at 32, so that coil is near freezing. So we are a little low on refrigerant. Alright, so we were low on refrigerant outside. I'm going to search this coil because it's probably in here, to be honest. But let's get this open. I got it all open. We are seeing a lot of rust. Yep, there it is. We found the leak, guys. Found the leak. So there's one leak.